To add an authorized user on the AT&T app, start by logging in to the My AT&T app or website using your primary account credentials. First, log into the My AT&T app or website using your primary account credentials. Navigate to the Profile section, then select Account Users and click on Add User. Enter the new user's name, email, or mobile number. Next, select the appropriate permissions, such as View Bill, Pay Bill, Manage Devices, or Full Access. Confirm the addition via multi-factor authentication, MFA, which will send a verification code to your email or phone. The new user will then receive an invitation link to set up their own login credentials. You can add up to 10 authorized users per account. Authorized users have secondary accounts tied to your primary billing account, allowing collaborative management without sharing your main login. AT&T uses role-based access control with permission levels like Viewer, Editor, and Admin. Viewer allows read-only access to bills and usage. Editor permits changes like adding lines. Admin grants near-full control, excluding account closure. All additions require your consent and MFA. Authorized users have separate logins, reducing phishing risks, and all actions are logged for audit trails. You can revoke or edit permissions anytime via the app. Authorized users do not inherit billing responsibility unless explicitly granted payment rights. This feature is beneficial for family plans, where parents monitor teens' device usage, or businesses adding IT admins for device management. AT&T prioritizes data privacy and secure access management.